Google just dropped a banger update for the Google Gemini app. Google has recently introduced a new Gemini image editing model called Nano Banana, which is now available for free inside the Gemini app and also in Gemini AI Studio. This lets you make high-quality image edits using simple text prompts, and the results are mind-blowing. You can edit images with professional-level quality without needing heavy software like Photoshop. It's super simple and easy. Here's how you can edit images using Gemini on Android. Open the Gemini app on your Android or iPhone. In the top drop-down menu, select the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. Tap on the plus icon and add the image you want to edit. Enter the prompt with the changes you want. Be specific and detailed for better results. Wait a few seconds and boom! Your edited image will be generated. If you like the result, tap on the download icon at the top to save the image in high quality. You can also use this model in Gemini AI Studio. Just head over to aistudio.google.com, select the Imagy Native option or the Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview model from the right sidebar. Here, you can either enter a prompt to generate a new image or upload an image to make edits. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.